Okay, ma'am, salamat. Good morning, everyone. My topic is all about initial commercial application. What is initial commercial applications? The early 2000s saw the beginnings of the use of nanotechnology in commercial products, although most applications are limited to the bulk use of passive nanomaterials. Introduction to nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has enormous potential to change the society, and it involves manipulation of object on automatic level. The product will be built on every atom that are stronger, smarter, cheaper, cleaner, and more precise. Nanotechnology is the art and science of manipulating matter at the nanoscale, down to 1/100 the weight of human hair to create new unique materials and products. Examples include titanium dioxide and zinc in titanium oxide, nanoparticles in sunscreen, cosmetics, and some food products, nanoparticles in food packaging, clothing, disinfectants, and household appliances, such as silver nanocarbon nanotubes for stain-resistant textiles, and cerium oxide and nanoparticles through catalyst. As a March of, as a March of 2011, the Project on Emerging Nanotechnologies estimated that over 1,300 manufacturers identified nanotech products are available with new ones hitting the markets at pace of 3 to 4 per week. Potential uses. The Joint Center for Biotechs in Canada ranked potential uses of nanosciences and nanotechnologies with respect to development. The top 10 uses follow BBC News 2005. Energy production, conservation, and storage. The mission of energy conservation and energy storage is to facilitate integral research, development, implementation, and integration of energy storage technologies to optimize the energy of efficiency of all kinds of energy system and to enable the increasing use of renewable energy instead of fossil fuels. Number two is enhancement of agricultural productivity. The Agricultural Productivity and Market Enhancement Project contributes to economic growth and poverty reduction by enhancing food security, income, and nutrition among participating households. Number three is treatment and remediation of water. Environmental remediation deals with the removal of pollution or contaminants from the environmental media such as soil, groundwater, sediment, or surface water. Once contaminants are detected, immediate action should be taken as this can impact negatively on human health and environment. Screening and diagnosing disease. Screening test is done to detect potential health disorder or disease in people who do not have any symptoms of disease. The goal is early detection and lifestyle changes or surveillance to reduce the risk of disease or detect it early enough to treat it most effectively. Systems for drug delivery. Drug delivery refers to approaches, formulations, manufacturing techniques, storage systems, and technologies involved in transportation a pharmaceutical compound to its target site to achieve a desired therapeutic effect. Processing and storing food. Food processing any a variety of operation by which raw foodstuffs are made suitable for consumption, cooking, or storage. A brief of treatment of food processing follows for fuller treatment of storage methods, seafood preservation. Controlling air pollution. Air pollution control the techniques employed to reduce or eliminate the emission into the atmosphere of substances that can harm the environment or human health. Last is contraction. Contraction is also called building contraction. The techniques an industry involves in the assembly and erection of structures, primarily those used to provide shelter. Pwede pa po yun. Monitoring health on the individual level. Health monitoring refers to the practice of using technology to monitor patents, health, and at home. Providers can monitor an individual condition from afar and bring them in only if needed. Detecting and controlling pests. Biological pest controlling is a method of controlling pests such as insects and mites by using other organisms. It relies on predation, parasitism, herbivory, parasitoid, or other natural mechanism, but typically also involve an active human management rule. Future of nanotechnology. One is nanotechnology will design the future of several technologies, products, and markets. Scientists and engineers can now work with materials at atomic level to create stain-proof fabrics, scratch resistance pens, more efficient fuel cells, and batteries. Experts say that nanotechnology will likely create the next generation of billionaires and reshape global business. Industry analysts predict revenues from products and corporation nanotechnology to reach close to 3 trillion US with 10 years. That's